One of the best ways to save money on a pond is to construct your own filters. If you don't know me, my name is Kev, and the aim of my channel and website is to help people save money on their pond projects. Over the years, I've shown quite a few different filter designs. Often I use cheap recycled materials like old olive barrels to create a filter. Two of the more popular designs have been the bog filter in a barrel. I'll put a link in the description if you want to see the filter construction, and a higher flow filter design like the one I used on my little solar powered stream. Again, I'll put a link in the description. Anyway, I get asked quite often how the barrels are hidden and how they're connected to the pond liner. So let's take a look. So from down here where you're looking at the pond, the filter's just up there behind the umbrella plant, so you don't see it at all, and it's buried in the ground. In there I've got milfoil growing, the biomedia, uniseal through the barrel, and the hole in the liner. So all I did was cut a hole in the liner, just put a bead of silicone around the pipe, and that is snugly on there. And then I just put the 90mm over the top. And this is tucked away. You can see the liner from this angle, but from down the bottom in the courtyard, you can't. This is the courtyard pond. Again, there's a barrel filter tucked in up there. Feeds the stream. Same thing, the pipe just comes out straight into the stream and then back to the pond. We'll go have a look at it. So on this one you can't even see where the pipe comes out because I've hidden it with this piece of wood and all the rock, but the pipe's there and it disappears down through here. There's a uniseal bringing the pipe through the barrel, and then it just feeds the stream. Again, the liner's coming up, tucked up and siliconed up against the barrel, and the hole's just small enough so that the pipe can fit through, so it's quite a snug fit even without the silicone. And this one actually sits up higher, and then you've got that elbow fitting that drops the water down into the stream. But yeah, the silicone's just a bit of added insurance, I guess. But anyway, that one's quite nicely hidden. Right here over the back, you'd never even come here unless you're going to clean the filter, but it's still tucked away. Like, that was the dirt to create the berm when I dug the pond. Yeah, so that created a berm to create the stream, and I just have a bit of a rock retaining wall. Yeah, and it's pretty nicely hidden. You can only see this, and even in spring when the plants grow in the bog filter, you can't even see this bit. Filter's just up there behind that shrub. Can't see it. So that's how I've hidden and constructed my barrel filters to their streams and the ponds. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See ya.